Yo, today I'm going to show you guys how to download a modded version of Dragon Ball Legends for iOS and Android with unlimited Chrono Crystals, as you can see. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So what you need to do is go to this site, zoomods.com. They have all these like modded apps on this site, so type in Dragon Ball Legends, and it's down here at the bottom, so just go ahead and press on it and wait for it to download. So before we actually get the Dragon Ball Legends mod, we need to do a verificaise, which is really easy, and I'm going to walk you through the process, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So basically what happens is we need to complete these apps. It's like IP based, so once you do this, it like unlocks the download for your IP. So as you can see, it says Dragon Ball Legends mod installer, please install 2 free apps. So there's 4 apps here, and we just gotta choose 2 of them. It doesn't matter which one, but make sure you read the instruct. TikTok says run for 30 seconds. Flip says down install, run for 30 seconds. But then WGT Golf, you have to reach level 10. So just press tap to install. It'll bring you to the App Store, and you just gotta download the app. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe. Make sure you do the verification correctly, and you guys should be good to go. They have a thing down here, it says chain completion, so it is actively looking to make sure that you guys did it, which is pretty wild. So yeah, this actually works. As you can see, I got 76,000. It's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you guys are interested in getting like Dragon Ball Legends hack, so this is super cool, guys. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe. This is super updated, and I hope you guys enjoy it. It's pretty cool, and it's like totally working, so I think you guys are honestly gonna really have fun with this hack. So see you later, and peace out.